paper, scissors. You
I
go
go
first.
Body fight.
Body fight. Open the flag.
Hero World.
Magic World.
Satsuki G. Revival Body.
Flaming Red Person of Love Sync.
I draw. Charging draw. Station Body Call. Koyomi 5th class. Satsuki. Pay 3 gauge and put the top 4 cards of deck to the soul. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then station, put up to 2 cards. 2 monsters from drop zone into the card zone.
You need to write down the plus point. Good.
Cast. This is hyper energy. Search deck for hyper energy. If I'm stationed, draw a card.
Cut.
Draw. Hyper energy. 4 gauge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cast. It's a mission briefing. Look top 3, put 1 to gauge, 1 to hand, and put the rest to drop or soul. 1, 2, 3. One, two. One to soul, 1 to gauge, 1 to hand.
Yes.
Nothing. Call Kinlada Prod Frame.
Queen Lara. Other.
Sorry. It's okay.
Okay.
No. I will call this instead. Wait. Yeah, correct. Kinlada full frame. Then call over. Kinlada. Recall frame. When this card enters the field, put up to 1 Crow Trooper from drop zone to hand. Cast extra order. Drop a Crow Trooper. Draw 2 cards. And if I'm stationed, draw a card. Draw 3. 1, 2, 3. Call on top. Satsuki operated convertible outframe Hazakura. This card gets the abilities of all size 5 battleship to soul. All abilities. And at the start of each player's attack phase, I can call a crew trooper from discard soul by paying the call cost. I'll just check the soul. Call Pal Chassis Stranger. Pay to gauge. All size 1 crew trooper is reduced by 1. And during my attack phase, I can call 1 crew trooper or super robot from hand without paying the call cost. Entering battle phase. Strange ability. Call from hand. Becomes size 0. Ability. Okay. Attack for 3.
Down to 7.
Skill. Disability. Put up to 2 crew trooper from your field to the soul. If I put 1 or more, I can call up to 2. Put the soul. And I can call up to 2. 1. And 2. By paying the call cost. Payment gauge. And put a crew trooper from field to discard zone. An entry. Put a crew trooper from drop zone to hand. And end of turn. End of turn skill. Satsuki. Return. Put up to 3 crew trooper from field to discard zone. Put. Okay, your turn.
My turn. Draw. Charge and draw. Nice one. Draw 2 cards. Set that structure. Put the top 2. Call. Bewitching Crimson Miracle Saint. Into gauge. Put the top 2 cards of your deck into it, so cast Droplets of Temptation. Engage. You want life. Put up to 1 Mystic Knight monster with Sync in its card name. And item. Plus 3,000.
What did you search? Sync and item.
Same.
Okay, proceed.
Call magic basis Asagi. Enters the field, draw, and charge and
Proceed.
equip magic twin neck guitar Kinari. Put up to 2 fire in total from your drop zone and you engage. Fire. Engage. Call magic manipulator neck. Cast last song. If you have Mystic Knight item equipped, put the top 2 cards of your deck into the gauge. Gain 2 life. Draw 2 cards. Plus 3.
Plus
3.
total 6.
6. Call Mystic Apprentice Sync. Pay 2 gauge. Put the top 2 card of your deck into it, so cast Wings of Verbal. Plus 6,000 power. 6
plus
plus
3.
6, 12.
Okay.
And then, draw a card.
Proceed.
Counter. Have you forgotten again? Search deck for 1 fire spell. Select a scene.
total running power.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Plus 18,000. Three or more. 1, 2, 3. As selector of sim, put the top 2 cards of your deck into the cage. Plus 3,000, so 3, 6, 9.
27.
And then put the 1 fire spell from your drop zone into your hand, other than selector of sim. Flame of Memories.
Okay.
Flame of Memories. You engage. Drop Mystic Knight from your hand. You don't have Mystic Knight, so I do not. Cast Lunatic Circus. Pay 1 life. Put up to total of 2 Mystic Knight monster or item with different card names from your drop zone to your hand. 1.
Plus 6.
Plus 6. Battle.
Ability at the start. Total power.
See. 12.
Total additional.
12 plus 9.
It's already 27. Why is it 12 plus 9 again?
27. Oh, 27.
This plus 27k
Hmm.
at the start of battle. Put call from hand. I call from the soul. On entry. Put Crow Trooper to hand. And I move.
33.
Oh. Yes, I move. Go.
Center. Penetrate for 3.
Skill. I can call a crew trooper from this card soul without paying the call cost. If you do, return this to hand. Your attack is cancelled.
Q for 4. Penetrate.
Skill.
Mm-hmm.
Put up to 2 crew trooper from field to hand. If you put 1 or more, call up to 2 crew trooper from this card soul. Ability. Put soul, cancel attack, and call up to. Call, pin the focus. Counter. Skill. Call from hand without paying the call cost. On entry, by card effects except from by calling. Wait, I can't. No, ability. Okay, proceed.
Center.
Skill. Return. And call. On entry, draw card. Skill. No more crew trooper.
Null.
Yes, of course.
Center.
How much crit?
4.
Prepare for sortie. Battleship. Put 1 crew trooper from soul. And I can call draw card.
Center.
Cast. My soul is shouting. Null the attack if 1 or more. Put top 2 to gauge. And gain 2 life. And draw card.
Easy. This is both.
Now he gets all the abilities of all plus 5. Size 5.
So this one also recalls.
Yes. Because it's a size 5.
So this one is still standing. How
No.
many use?
I
This one?
used 2.
2. So only have 1 more left.
Yes. Double attack.
No.
1 attack only. Null. Gauge 2. Gain 2. Draw a card.
Null.
Yes.
No. Okay. Nightmare Cage. Pay 1 gauge. Pay 1 life. Stand on. Deal 1 damage to your opponent. Gain 1 life. Plus 3. Plus 6. Center.
How many crits?
3. 1, 2, 3. Center.
Sure.
4. Can't be reduced if this is
No,
any-
it's not on play.
Ah. Link.
How many crits?
12, 4, 8, 12.